Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm rope dropping Magic Kingdom and I just got off the bus. It is 8:30, half an hour before park opened. The bus actually started driving an hour before our park opened. And I got in line at 7, park opens at 9. It's a pretty empty day, about half an hour before park opened. That's so pretty. Pretty much a walk around right now. It's like just been walking through the whole queue.
Show on the road! Okay, everybody, now just hold your horses.
So Magic Kingdom is super empty today. The crowds are super low and it is 10 o'clock and we've already been on Mine Train and Space Mountain with like literally zero wait. The only reason we've only been on 2 rides is because we went to Gaston's Tavern to eat breakfast, cinnamon rolls, which was really cool, really fun. The cinnamon rolls are so good, 10 out of 10 recommend. So this is my very first time on Splash Mountain, like ever, and so I'm like super excited, and I know this will probably be my last time. This will probably be my last time on Splash Mountain, so I'm gonna try to enjoy it as much as possible. Wow, this is my first ride, and I feel ridiculous wearing a poncho right now, but literally, I just don't want to get wet. I just want to experience the ride and not get wet. I think all my makeup came off. Wow. That was awesome. Splash Mountain was so much fun. I'm so glad I got to go on it one more time before it closes down. But my favorite part of Splash Mountain was right before you go down the drop, where you see the castle and the whole Magic Kingdom view. It was so beautiful. And I got it on camera, so. So it's been a really long day, but I did get to do everything that I wanted to do, except I didn't go on Peter Pan's flight, because actually that was the longest wait in the whole park today, for me at least, because I know Mine Train did get to be like an hour long, but since we rope dropped it first thing in the morning, it was pretty much a walk-on for us, so that's pretty cool. Now I'm just waiting to go to EPCOT, so I'm super excited to go to EPCOT. I really want to do Frozen Ever After and all of that, so let's park hop to EPCOT. Hello. Hi. Thank you. Thank you. So I'm in Epcot now, and I'm gonna try to do Soarin' and then Frozen Ever After for however many times I can until park closes. And park closes in an hour. So let's see how much I can get done.
Nice work, pal. Soon you will be airborne. So if you or your...
Alright, so I just went on Frozen 2 times, which was awesome. And I FaceTimed my sister both of those times because I miss her so much. And Frozen is our movie. We always watch it together. She's Anna and I'm Elsa. So I had to FaceTime her. And while I was on the ride, I was just so happy and so emotional. And I was actually really sad too because Gianna's not here, my sister. And I miss her so much and I wish that she was here. But I guess she'll just have to come with me another time. But that's it for today. I'm just gonna go around the World Showcase, get on the Skyliner, and go back to my resort. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!